Zuma must fall!
Zuma must fall!
Zuma must fall!
Zuma must fall!
Amanda! Amanda! Amanda!
We're here to ask Jacob Zuma to resign. We're tired of corruption, tired of state capture, we're tired of everything that's going on in the country.
And Zuma must fall because we don't have work, our children are suffering and we are suffering too. So Zuma must fall. We are tired of Zuma. Thank you.
And ANC is saying it's only going 2019. Are you going
No,
to wait?
no, we are waiting until 2019. She must fall now. He must fall now. I mean now, today, on his birthday, when he eats that cake, he must fall. Zuma must fall. Zuma must fall.